Small shapes cutted cabbage. Add them in chopper. Chop them in chopper. Pour in a plate. Put a pan on fire. Add a little bit oil. Squeeze the chopped mixture to reduce water and add them in pan. Add some salt and cover it for 5 minutes. For the time when mixture is cooked, made a dough of flour, rice flour, salt, and a little bit oil. Now shape the dough in balls and press them to create circle. Fill the circle with the cooked mixture and shape them as you wish. Now the lovely momos are ready. Put them in the pan, which is in contact of fire,